So the repair of my sagging track is a multi-process, multimedia affair. The first one I think I showed you before is chopping off the rotten parts of the fence posts and packing them up on to concrete blocks. That gets it level. The framework under here was fine, but the plywood had rotted. So what I have done is I've put large lap fence boards, feather edge, is that what it's called? Anyway, the advantage of these is if you push them partially overlapped, you can adjust the thickness slightly. Anyway, there we are, 4 rows, that's 8, 16 of those fencing boards under there. They're tunnelized, so they should be all right. That's just to spread the load and bring the height up. And then the surface is, it's not plus ply, it's this sign board material on top of that to form a flat, well, not very flat, level surface. I'm just seeing if I can reuse the pieces of roofing felt to provide a rough representation of something better than a blue background. It didn't look too bad before. They're a bit tattered and torn, so I'm not sure what I'll do about that. Might have to get part of a new roll, see what I've got in stock, or get some. And the old platform has been put back. The edge of the platform overlaps a bit much here. I'll have to check clearances when we relay the track. There's the track that's been taken off, there and there. So that then is, and here you have the face to camera shot at the end of the video this time. I'm sure that will present better running. Still have some sections to do. Like a quick look? Let's have a look. Sagging here, and not too bad along here. I think I'll get away with the rest of it by packing the track, so not too bad. We'll soon have it sorted and we'll get things running again. Not too bad, and we've got the weather for it. I'm hoping that you are all enjoying time with your garden railways.